Marco decided to go to dance in the club. Marco is a man, but in the past he was a woman.
Guys, I think this person is going to be trouble. I'd like you to remove them. Okay. Yes.
Excuse.
Yes?
You have to get out now.
No! Why?
It's not your place here.
No?
You're not like you're not like people in your transsexual.
You're not like us.
Yeah.
No! Why? I paid the ticket for stay here. I want to dance. I am a man. Come on. I'm innocent and want to stay here and stop.
Hey. Go.
No. Don't touch. I want to stay here. Okay? I paid the ticket. I'm innocent.
No.
Yes, of course.
You disturb the place, so you.
No.